This is the Infinix Note 30 Pro. The Infinix Note 30 Pro is the first budget smartphone in my country to have wireless and reverse wireless charging. With its 15 watts wireless capability to charge 68 watts wired. Now starting of build and design of this phone. And the Note 30 Pro uses the massive frame and a glass back. When looking at the back, it made with glass. A lot of you might like the build quality. So this is the variable good. Take a look at the back. It changes color depending on the light condition. Now personally, I don't have an issue with this color, but if you do, you might go for the black color variant. Now another thing I noticed on the build quality is the camera placement. The camera is okay, but I would have liked if Infinix equally shaved the camera. But this is me being, caramello. Anyways, the Infinix Note 30 Pro goes for $175,900 or $234. Check this out. It comes bundled with the 15 watts wireless charger. Now, other smartphone makers will sell you their wireless charger to make more money, but Infinix include it for free of charge. And for the IP rating, it's IP53 dust and water splash resistance. But it can survive water splashing on it on all angle, but I don't advise you to do that. And for the external features, it has the dual SIM card and memory card thread. This smartphone is a 4G smartphone, no 5G here. So moving to the top, you will see one of the speaker. Moving to the right hand side, you will see the volume rocker key and the power button. The power button also the fingerprint scanner. As you can see, it's fast and reliable. It has a 3.5mm audio jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C port, and the main speaker. And for the storage, the Infinix Note 30 Pro came with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Now, this is all the accessories that came with Infinix Note 30 Pro. And for the display, it comes with 6.78 inches Full HD AMOLED display and 120Hz refresh rate. A touch sampling rate of 360Hz. This display is very vibrant and smooth and very responsible. And for the gaming experience, everything runs pretty good smooth based on Android 13 on the bus. For the charging time, using the 68 watts fast charger to charge this device. Here is the breakdown. For my test, it got to 77% in 30 minutes and it was fully charged in 46 minutes. Using the wireless charger to charge up this smartphone took a while because of the 15 watts wireless charger. It took 3 hours 35 minutes to charge the device with the wireless charging. And for the battery, this phone came with 5000 mAh battery and included the power delivery of 3.0 charger. So you can also use the charger in Infinix Note 30 Pro to charge up your laptop. It is also a well-optimized processor and offers the desired performance, running all your apps without no issue. You can play your high graphic titles and medium settings. Call of Duty Mobile plays at medium graphics and high frame rate. I find it to be a solid gaming device. Stay consistent in the temperature and no noticeable lags in my test so far. This is my review and unboxing of Infinix Note 30 Pro. So if you find this video interesting, please kindly turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated whenever I post a video like this. Catch you guys on next one. Thank you. Caramello signing out.